Happy bridal shower sa pinakamagandang bride to be. Congrats Ate Jel. Finally, nahanap mo na rin si Kuya Harley. Taga nag-Carlon lang pala, di na kailangan dumayo. Sobrang excited na kami sa wedding day mo. Best wishes, love you bot.
Oh, Neng. Congrats. Pinagganto pa ako ni ate. Wala rin naman ako sasabihin sa'yo, kundi congratulations sa inyong dalawa ni Harley. Okay, bye! Nga, congrats. Nandiyan ka na sa sitwasyon na mas kailangan mong mag-isip ng doble. Alam ko naman na hindi ka na kailangan pang paalalahanan. Alam mo na yung tama. Mas sipagan mo pa. Alam ko namang masipag ka. Tsaka maligo araw-araw at mag-toothbrush araw-araw. Yun lang. Congrats. Love you. Bye.
Our time has passed. Still moving like the city never sleeps. If keeping promises was currency, I'd be a king for keeps. All the struggle in the mirror turned my pain to gasoline. Now I'm burning through the midnight, chasing down a faded dream. You just hit me with the let it go. That's a different kind of low, but we were built from different stone. Guess I should've known. I'm on that 24/7 grind. You're on your own, they see the shine but not the climb. Hear the anger in my tone, they leave when waters get off the beach. Swim back to the shore, the devils I know best all say they seen this script before. Truth or dare, I take the truth, even if it cuts me loose. Cause living in your perfect lie is just a beautiful excuse. And before the credits roll, just need something to make me whole. Pull me closer in the cold. One last story